Cooking Dorado fish baked in the oven. Remove unwanted parts with kitchen scissors. Using a knife, slit the fish's belly too. Remove the inedible internal parts. Rinse with water. Remove the loose protective scales from the skin name. Put 10 grams salt. Add 10 grams of citric acid to the salt. Mix the ingredients until they overlap. Dry the fish with paper towels. Season the fish with the mixture from the inside. Cover the fish with a piece of aluminum foil and leave it in the refrigerator. Let it rest for an hour. Cover the baking sheet with parchment paper and place the fish on it. Put the fish in the oven for 15 minutes at 150 degrees. Prepare fish marinade. A tablespoon of ketchup. A tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. A tablespoon of vinegar. And a tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix the ingredients together well. Open the oven after 15 minutes of baking time. Brush the fish with the mixture. Place in the oven again for 30 minutes, this time at 190 degrees. Total baking time in the oven, 15 plus 30 equals 45 minutes. You can serve it with red or pink rice.
In the following videos I will show you how to cook red rice